Hi, I'll show you how to create a multi-user collaborative group board. So with whiteboard.chat, first you start teaching, then I'm going to upload a file which has a map. It's a PDF, so now you can see it got created. Next thing, I'm going to write some text here, so you can see this is the teacher board. So I'm writing teacher wrote this on the board. Now I'm going to click the invite link so that I can copy the link to send to my student. So I copy that link. I can put it into an LMS system or a calendar invite. In this case, I'm just going to open two different browser windows, one from Firefox, and I'm going to put that window right here next to it so you can see what I'm doing. So on the right hand side, the small window is the student. I'm going to open another browser window which is an incognito window from Chrome, so it will become the second student. So now I have two students on the right hand side. Now I can see on the grid view, I can see all three students work. I'm going to now click the avatar icon to create a group. So I say create group board, and I'm going to move both my students into the right hand side and call this group blue. Right? And now you'll see that the two browsers on the right, the kids browsers automatically move to a collaborative board which is called group blue up there, right? And they can, the one of them will draw stars right on the board using the brown color, and the other one, they can see the mouse on each other's screen as well. They're all drawing on the same screen, so you can see it's drawing circles. And now if I use the eraser tool, you can see that I can erase my own things which are circles, but I cannot erase stars, right? I cannot even erase what the teacher wrote. And similarly on the upper browser, it can erase the stars but not the circles, right? And you can see that it cannot even erase the teacher stuff, so, and it can erase all the stars, so that you cannot have the kids write over each other. Thank you for watching. Bye.